Father of a Shelby woman seen in a viral video fielding punches from a police officer says that charge the officer is facing is nowhere near enough. Tonight, he is now backed by one of the more well-known civil rights attorneys in the nation, Ben Crump. Cherie Moore's family says she was having a mental health crisis when Officer Carson Hyder punched her to the ground on May 29th. You'll remember Hyder has since lost his job and faces a misdemeanor assault charge. But as Moore's father told our Miles Harris tonight, that should be just the beginning of the response.
When Gregory Moore looks at that doorbell camera video, he doesn't see a criminal case. He sees his daughter pinned to the ground and punched by someone sworn to protect her. And today he brought that pain to a Shelby church while Ben Crump bought the legal firepower. Tons of community members filled City of God Family Worship Center Tuesday morning as Crump officially announced that his team will represent Cherie Moore in this case against former Officer Hyder. Now, the viral footage from May 29th shows Hyder straddling Moore and delivering repeated closed fist punches before a second officer steps in. Moore can be heard pleading for him to stop and at points calls for her father, Gregory. Now, Crump called it clear as a breakdown in law enforcement training and policy as he claims that she was having a mental health crisis. And the father makes it clear that he hasn't heard from Shelby PD since the incident went public.
They haven't reached out to me, none whatsoever. No calls, no nothing. I've been waiting on them to call. Nothing. Mr. Moore, how you doing? Is everything all right? They haven't called or nothing. And I think that's very sad.
Now, her father says that a misdemeanor charge does not reflect on what the video shows, and Crump's team, they appear to agree. Now, Crump is actually asking for the prosecutors to upgrade the charges to assault inflicting serious bodily injury, and we will have more on that conference tonight at 6 o'clock and more on what justice from the legal team and from that family looks like. In Shelby, I'm Miles Harris, WCNC Charlotte.
Now, as for the officer, 22-year-old Carson Hyder, he appeared in court this morning, charged with assault inflicting serious injury. We saw Hyder waive his rights for a court-appointed attorney, and he is expected back in court on June 29th.